Team Kid reporting. Today we are making an ice volcano. Okay, so we've got pure baking soda, aluminum foil, clear plastic wrap, and assorted food color and egg dye. A few miniature bowls, and then this stirring bowl. If you didn't catch all that, I will leave all the ingredients and instructions in the description below. Step 1, we take some aluminum foil and roll it up into these aluminum foil balls that are about the size of ping pong balls. And then you put them in your little bowls, and they will be the great crater of your volcano. Next, we take our clear plastic wrap and push it inside the bowl and wrap it around the aluminum foil ball, like push it down around it, and then push it down around the bowls. And you do that with all of them. This is going to make it easier to get the ice volcanoes out after they freeze. I forgot to add, you need a cup, water, and vinegar. You take 1 cup of baking soda, 1/3 of a cup of water, and then the desired food coloring for each volcano. You stir until most of the lumps are gone. After you have poured all of your ice volcanoes, you want to put them in the freezer for about 3 hours. Since ours are leaking, as you can see, you might want to put them on a tray. This one took about 50 drops of red. This one was 1 drop of red, and this one was 5 drops of blue. We had to put ours in lukewarm water for about 5 minutes, up to about half of the size. Okay, so let's try.
That's like volcano.
Move the cup.
That worked very well.
Try yours, though.
Now let's see what happens.
There you are. Fill the center. You can keep going. Woo!
I did the whole cup. I don't care. Can I?
Blue iceberg volcano.
I touched it. I touched it.
Iceberg volcano.
Ooh. Let's see. Oh, that's so scary.
Iceberg volcano. Amazing. Lava. I'd say that these were a success. This volcano's completely melted, and this one's got 1 side missing. So yeah, I'd say they were a success. So sadly, we've got to leave, but hopefully I'll be back soon. Team Kid reporting out.